Hi guys, I am gonna show you how to install Windows XP on Virtualbox. So let's go open Virtualbox, and then you want to click new because we're gonna create a new virtual machine, which will be Windows XP. So we click new, and then we have to make sure it's on the type is Microsoft Windows and the version is XP. And then we have to name our OS. For me, I'm just gonna name it Virtual XP. So there we go. We click next and we select our memory size. Be sure not to select too much until it takes up all our RAM and it goes into the blue screen. So we click next, and if you want to use an existing hard drive, you can select any. So I'm just going to create one. So if you want this to load on VirtualBox only, you select DI. Well, if you want to load it right on VMware also, you can just click on VMDK. But I'm just going to select VMDK. We select dynamically allocated. I like dynamically allocated because for me it's faster. Next, and we select the memory. I'm just gonna make mine 40 gigs. Now we go into settings. We can select our processor, but it doesn't work for me. So video memory, I'm just gonna select 128 for best results. So we're on our storage, and then we have to select our ISO, or if you have a installation disk, you can just select your disk drive. It's normally D. So I have an ISO. I'm just gonna use that. OS Windows XP. Okay. So we just hit OK. We can start. We have to start it. So I'm gonna put it into scaled mode because I kind of want it to be big. It's just so I can see the whole thing. Okay, so welcome to setup. This portion of the setup program prepares Microsoft Windows XP to run on your computer. To set up XP now, press enter. Press enter. I'm pressing enter. So we don't have to read. We don't really have to read it, but you can read it if you want. You just push F8, and then you just push enter again, and then format the partition. If you want it quick, you just select this one, but if you want it regular, you just select this one. Just gonna do quick. Okay, now it's copying the files to the installation folders. Okay. Okay. So you just push OK. I mean enter when you see the screen. And if there's a floppy disk, you have to remove it. Push enter. Okay. Now step 2. Part 2. Part 2. The installation. I already finished part 1, which is copying the installation files. Now setting up now installing XP. Okay, it's gonna be installing devices. After this, you see a window pop up. You have to enter your name, the administrator password, and the product key, I believe, and the computer name, I believe. It's just taking long. Setup will complete in approximately 33 minutes. But that might not be true if you're installing it from an iPhone. But that can be true if you're installing it from your drive D. So it'll say, "Welcome to the Windows XP setup wizard." This wizard installs Windows XP on your computer. The wizard needs to gather some information about you and your computer to set up Windows XP properly. So you can customize Windows XP for different regions and languages. Customize. Yep, that's my time zone. Okay. Okay. So I'll enter my name. You have to enter the full name and organization if you have one. Okay, you have to enter your product key. Okay, I entered mine. Now you have to enter an admin password. Now go right ahead and hit next. Select your computer name. I'll just type it in. Okay, next. Okay. There. Now you have to enter the time zone. Select your time zone and date and time. Now it's going to install the network so you can browse the internet. Okay, choose whether to use typical or custom settings. Typical settings. Create network connections using the client and for Microsoft Networks file and printing sharing with Microsoft Networks. QoS packet scheduler and the TCP IP transport protocol with automatic addressing. I'm just gonna hit next. Then no, this computer is not on a network. This isn't. So this I own this one. So no. Oh, and I forgot to say something. Sorry. So you can hit yes. You can hit yes. As if this here is your computer at work or something like that. Okay, installing start menu items. Okay, it's saving settings, so we're almost done with the installation. Okay, so almost done. See right here, it's almost done. Saving settings. Removing any. Oh. Okay. Now it should go to the setup process. Do not push any key, no matter what, when it shows that. So now it's for the setup. So now if you want your screen resolution better, you hit OK. There, it's better now. You hit OK now. Okay. Okay, it's kind of funny when he made that animation. Okay, and that music. Ha ha ha. And that little guy here. hide. I'll teach you, not you, stupid. Hey! I said go away! I'm gonna teach everyone, not you. Hide. There. Thank you for purchasing Microsoft Windows XP. Let's spend a few minutes setting up your computer to continue. Click next. You have to hit next. There. With automatic updates, Windows can routinely check for the latest important updates for a computer and install them automatically. These updates can include security updates, critical updates, and service packs. Now, I'm just gonna hit help protect my PC by turning on automatic updates now. Okay. So after we selected either one, just go hit next. Next. Please wait for a moment while Windows checks to see if this computer is on the internet. Now, yes, this computer will connect through a local area network or home network. Next. I'm just gonna activate it. No, I don't want to register. Next. Okay, I have to enter the next, hit the green arrow. Congratulations. Here's what you just accomplished. You activated your copy of Windows and your computer is configured for internet access. Finish. There. Now it's going to boot up Windows XP. In here, it's booted up. So, I guess this is it for my video, guys. Now, see ya on PC game. Okay.